What's up, guys? Welcome back to our channel. Another day, another vlog. So, for today's video, we are going to a place of a friend. He is actually a fish keeper, an ornamental fish keeper, and we would get there to buy some aqua plants. But at the same time, we will also have a quick tour of his setup as a fish keeper. So, stay tuned, guys. Of course, I want to ask some favor from you guys if it's okay. If you are new to this channel, please do consider subscribing so that we can help this channel grow. And if you like this video, please click the thumbs up, like button, and you can also share it. We are almost there at our destination. Just having fun filming the surroundings, and after 10 to 15 minute drive, finally we're here, guys. Oh wow, ano siya, itong snowflakes. Nindot kay kag ko ano, nindot kay kag HP Blue ba?
Dili Piblo?
Pang show type.
Japan ko na siya. Mga anak eh. Marato na ilang kuhan niya eh. Ang bata yung bayi.
Saya nga eh. Nindotan mo mga gabi. Yusa kay si mo sit up dre no?
Mana plan ng baliga.
So many varieties of aqua plants you can choose here, guys. Like this unique plant called Kabumba.
Tukoy red.
Dito po nga plants. Mga sit up dre, guys.
Oh, sabon na pala kong sikat. Good.
Dito plants oh.
Paano good? Ordinary lang eh. Liping lang ba? Lindang rin.
Atong mga aqua plants, guys. Dot kaya tulo ka klase. Tagaan ba tag freebies. Shout out to Jadis Gapis. Ara diri, guys, sa kuan Fuentes Batching, ilahang location. This is one of the plant that I bought, guys. This one also, it grows quickly as long as it can be exposed to a sunlight, guys. It will grow faster. Yeah, like this. I've also got this type of plant called kabomba, guys. It starts spreading as well. So those are the three plants that I bought from a friend. So I hope you like the video, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe, and let's make more videos. Okay.